Understanding the phrase, be mobile. Hello, English learners. Today, we're going to dive into a phrase that you might have come across in your English learning journey. The phrase is, be mobile. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what it means and how to use it in different contexts. The word, mobile, has its origins in the Latin word, mobilis, which means movable, or capable of moving. When we say something or someone is mobile, we mean that they can move or be moved freely or easily. For example, mobile phones are called so because they can be carried and used anywhere. A baby learning to walk becomes more mobile. In various contexts, be mobile can mean different things. 1. Physical ability. It can refer to someone's ability to move around, especially after an injury. E.g., after the surgery, she wasn't mobile for a few weeks. 2. Availability. In a work setting, if someone is said to be mobile, it might mean they are available to move or travel for work purposes. E.g., we need someone mobile for this job as it involves a lot of travel. 3. Flexibility and adaptability. It can also mean being open to change and easily adaptable. E.g., in this fast-paced world, it's essential to be mobile in terms of skills and knowledge. Just like many other words in English, mobile can be used in idiomatic expressions. However, the direct phrase, be mobile, isn't commonly an idiom. Yet, understanding the broader context will help you grasp similar idiomatic expressions that involve the concept of mobility. For instance, upwardly mobile, referring to someone rising to a higher social or economic class. E.g., he's an upwardly mobile young professional. So there we have it. The phrase, be mobile, is all about movement, flexibility, and adaptability. Whether it's in a literal sense or a more figurative context, being mobile is a valuable trait. We hope this video has shed light on its meaning and usage. Keep practicing, and remember, every phrase you learn makes you more and more fluent in English. Happy learning!